I'm starting chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. So first of all, we'll study continuity. In 11th class already you have done one topic, that is limit. You are finding a left hand limit and right hand limit. I told you when I was teaching 11th class limit and limits and derivative, you are finding left hand limit, right hand limit, but here we have to find three things. Mathematically, any function is said to be continuous if LHL equal to f of a equal to RHL. All three things. And for limit, we were finding only left hand limit and right hand limit at the given point. But here we have to find three things. If all three are equal, we can say function is continuous mathematically. But graphically, any function is said to be continuous, like sin x. Graph of sin x. It is always continuous if you go this side or this side. It does not break. Graphically, interpretation means graph of that function does not break in that particular interval. Then we can say it is continuous. Like sin is continuous, cos is continuous for all real value of x. Cos is continuous. But tan x continuous in open interval 0 to pi by 2. But if you take, this is pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, then if you talk about 0 to pi, it is discontinuous because curve breaks here. Tan 90 plus infinity, more than 90, it is minus infinity. So remember that if we talk about continuity, means graph of that function does not break. Mathematically, how can you check? You will find left hand limit, limit of the point, limit of the function at given point, and right hand limit. If all three are equal, we can say function is continuous. In examination, you have to use only this formula method. Like here, exercise 5.1, first question is prove that this function is f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 3, and at x equal to 5. Very simple. What we can do is we'll find left hand limit at x equal to 0. First of all, we start with at x equal to 0. We'll find LHL, limit h tends to 0. Here, what will be the value of a? 0. On which point you are finding the continuity that will become a? So you have to find f of 0 minus h, f of 0, f of 0 plus h. If all three are equal, we can say continuous. So in second part, a will be minus 3. You need to find f of minus 3 minus h, f of minus 3, f of minus 3 plus h. And for third part, you need to find continuity at x equal to 5, f of 5 minus h, f of 5, f of 5 plus h. So a is what? A is that point on which we have to find continuity. So limit h tends to 0, f of, this formula will become 0 minus h, left hand limit is 0 minus h. So there is only one function. What you can do is, function is f of x 5x minus 3. This function is talking to you. He is saying, if you are giving me x, I will make it 5 times minus 3. If you are giving 0 minus h, 5 times 0 minus h minus 3. This will become 5 times 0 minus h minus 3. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0 minus 5h minus 3. Now we cannot solve further, so substitute limit 5 into 0 minus 3, this is minus 3. Now f of 0, direct you can substitute here 0. So 5 into 0 minus 3 is also minus 3. Now we will find RHL, limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h. So this is limit h tends to 0, 5 times 0 plus h minus 3. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0, 5h minus 3. If you substitute value of h 0, so this has become minus 3. Since limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h equal to f of 0 equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h, all three are equal, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Similarly, For second part, you can take x equal to minus 3. So f of minus 0 minus 3 minus h. Then f of minus 3, I am finding here. At x equal to minus 3. So what will be the LHL? Limit h tends to 0, f of minus 3 minus h, because left hand limit is a minus h. A is given point. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0. In this, function is saying whatever you are giving, I will make it 5 times minus 3. If you are giving minus 3 minus h here, this will become 5 times minus 3 minus h and minus 3. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0, minus 15 minus plus 5h minus 3. H tends to 0 means you cannot solve further. So this is minus 18 plus 5 times 0, it is minus 18. And what is f of minus 3? It is also 5 times minus 3 minus 3. This is minus 18. And RHL, limit h tends to 0, f of minus 3 plus h. So this is limit h tends to 0. Function says that 5 times minus 3 plus h minus 3. This will also be minus 18. So since LHL, f of minus 3 and RHL are all three are equal, therefore function is continuous at x equal to minus 3. Here continuous at x equal to 0. Same way you can find continuous at x equal to 5. Now we are doing another question. Check the continuity of the function, following function. Here simple function was given in one line. Here function given in like this. This shows that when x less than 2 or equal to 2, you have to this function. Means for 2 minus h, this function will be taken. For x equal to 2, this function will be taken. But for greater than 2, this function will be taken. So LHL, I am finding LHL, limit h tends to 0, minus 2 minus h. This shows that you have to find continuity at x equal to 2. A will be 2. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0. 2 minus 2 minus h less than, this is 2, na? So 2 minus h. 2 minus h less than means 2 minus h, this function will be taken, equal to 2, this function will be taken. But 2 plus h more than 2, this function will be taken. Means this will be applicable for 2 plus h. So this function says that, focus on this, f of x 2x plus 3. So f of 2 minus h, 2 into 2 minus h plus 3. So this is limit h tends to 0, 4 minus 2h plus 3. So limit h tends to 0, 7 minus 2h. We cannot solve further. So this is 7. Now f of 2 equal to 2, this function will be taken. This time you cannot take this function. In previous question you were getting only one function. At any cost you were taking given function. But here you have got option. Less than equal to 2, this function. Greater than 2, this function. So here equal to 2 means you have to substitute f of 2. 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 plus 3. This is also 7. So LHL and f of 2 are equal. If RHL will also be equal, we can say this is continuous. How to find RHL? So limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h, limit h tends to 0, this function will be taken, 2 times 2 plus h minus 3. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0, 4 plus 2h minus 3. So this is limit h tends to 0, 1 plus 2h. We cannot solve further. So substitute h0, 1 plus 2 into 0 is 1. Therefore, limit h tends to 0, f of 2 minus h is equal to f of 2, but not equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h. All three are not equal. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equal to 2. We are doing 7th question. Discuss the continuity or check the continuity. With the help of this observation, you can see that we are getting two different points, minus 3, 3. For minus 3, all three situations are given, less than minus 3, equal to minus 3 and greater than minus 3. And for 3 also, it is given all three conditions, less than 3, greater than 3, equal to 3. Means we have to find continuity at 2 points. It will not be given in the question, it will be given, discuss the continuity. So here you have to find continuity at 2 points. So at x equal to minus 3, first of all. So we'll find LHL. What will be the formula? A, value of A is minus 3. So f of minus 3 minus h. So limit h tends to 0. Minus 3 minus h. This function will be taken. In place of mod x, we'll write mod minus 3 minus h plus 3. But h tends to 0. So this is what limit h tends to 0. If you are putting limit, so this will become minus 3 minus 0 plus 3. And we know that mod minus 3 is 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. And f of minus 3 at x equal to minus 3, we have to take the same function. Mod minus 3 plus 3. Mod minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now RHL, limit h tends to 0. F of minus 3 plus h. So which function will be taken? This is greater than minus 3 but less than 3. Greater than minus 3 means this function will be taken. Minus 2x. So f of x is minus 2x. F of minus 3 plus h is minus 2 times. Limit h tends to 0. Minus 2 times minus 3 plus h. So this will become limit h tends to 0. 6 minus 2h. When you are putting value 6 minus 2 into 0, this is 6. All three are equal. This is 6. Here this is 6. And this is also 6. Since LHL equal to f of minus 3 equal to RHL, therefore function is continuous at x equal to minus 3. Now we can find at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3, we'll find LHL. Limit h tends to 0. F of 3 minus h. 3 minus h means less than 3. Less than 3, this function will be taken. Minus 2 into x. So limit h tends to 0. Minus 2 into 3 minus h. So this is limit h tends to 0. Minus 6 plus 2h. So this is minus 6 plus 2 into 0. You have to write h tends to 0 until unless when you are not putting value of x. If you are not putting, means you have to write. When you are putting h value, no need to write limit h tends to 0. Now f of 3 equal to 3, this function. 6 into 3 plus 2. 6x plus 2. This is what? 18 plus 2, 20. And RHL, limit h tends to 0. F of 3 plus h. So this function will be taken. Okay. So this is what? Limit h tends to 0. 6 times 3 plus h plus 2. Limit h tends to 0. 18 plus 6h plus 2, or limit h tends to 0. 20 plus 6h. Now you are putting value of h 0. So 20 plus 6 into 0, it is 20. This is 20, this is 20, but this is not 20. So you can see that these two are equal. LHL, limit h tends to 0. F of 3 minus h is not equal to f of 3 is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of 3 plus h. All three should be equal for continuous. Here we can say function is not continuous at x equal to 3. 8th question of continuity. f of x equal to mod x upon x if x is not equal to 0. In previous question we are getting less than minus 3, greater than minus 3, equal to minus 3, but here we are getting, we can write value of modulus x. What is mod x? Mod x is plus x when x is positive greater than 0. It is minus x when x is less than 0 and 0 when x equal to 0. This is definition of mod x. At x equal to 0 already 0 is given. What I am doing is I am changing this not equal to greater than 0, smaller than 0 and equal to 0. When x equal to 0 it is 0. But when x is greater than 0, mod x will be replaced by x by x. And when x is less than 0, mod x will be replaced by minus x. So minus x by x. So we can write this is what 1 minus 1 0 1 if x if x is greater than 0, if x less than 0, if x equal to 0. Now we have to find continuity at x equal to 0. LHL, limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h, 0 minus h direct you can write minus 1, there is no x function, direct value you can write. And f of 0, at the 0 it is 0, and RHL, limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h, it is plus 1. So since LHL is not equal to f of 0 is not equal to f of RHL or f of 0 plus h, all three are not equal, therefore function is not continuous at x equal to 0.